Hello everyone, hope you must be doing good. In the series of Learn SQL, today we are at step 3 where here we'll see how to create a database. In last two series we have tell about what the SQL is, what are the advantages of using SQL, what is the difference between DBMS, RDBMS, what are different kind of keys that are included in SQL. So in today's series we are going to learn how to create a database in SQL Server. Whenever we'll come to the SQL Server after login into the SQL database, we would have to land to the Object Explorer. Here you will see the screen like this, where you would have an option of creating a database. You have to click over the right click over the database icon where you can see a pop-up will appear on the screen. It would have different kind of option, new database, attach, restore database, and different other. We'll explain all this stuff in later stages. So right now we are going to create a simple basic database. So you have to click over new database, and after clicking over it you would able to see the screen like this, where you would have, if you see on the left of the screen, you will see journal option, file group, different kind of option over the screen, and then on the middle of the screen or the right side, database name, owner, and some default things. I have given one name testdb as the name of my database. A few things will come appear by default over the screen, like logical name. It will be same like the name of your database, and one log file will get created automatically. So we are not going to do any kind of change in default setting. I would take you a quick tour to rest other option and file group. Then after putting some values some to the screen, it will go to the next level, which will show you some option. Some option will give you some more detailed explanation about the database which you are going to create. Here you would be able to see some kind of settings which are related with your database. We are not going to create any something new or specific database. We are just starting from the very basic one, so we are not going to change anything. We can explain all this stuff in the later stages when we'll be get some expert level in the SQL. So after scrolling down the same option, you would be able to see some more settings on left screen and on the right screen. After clicking over OK button, you would be able to get a new database created with the name given in your database name text box. As I have given my testdb database name, so a new database will get created with the name of testdb. Then this is the look and feel of the fresh database which is recently been created by us. So this is a quick tour how your database, when you have created it for the very first time, how it does look like. So there are some kind of different things. You would be able to see table views, some programmability, storage, security, these kind of icons. In programmability, we have store procedures, function, triggers, and different kind of things. SQL provides us a basic system related things also, which tells you a default features, default functions, default functionality, which is started with the SYS. If you notice that SYS dot SP underscore, this is the kind of reserve abbreviation which is reserved by the SQL system related things. So these are the triggers, these are system types, assemblies, rules you can set which are related with the security, and many other settings which could be related with your profile and could not be related with your profile. It could be related with administrator or security team also. If you are a developer or a student, you need to focus over working and developing things like tables, store procedure, functions, views, where you will do some kind of operations on your data. This was the thing how we can create database using Wizard. We can do the same thing using command also. SQL have given us the feature of creating new database using command. Here is the syntax for it. It is like create database, database name. The blue part create database will be remain as it is, and this is not case sensitive. You can put it in uppercase as well as in lowercase. And then after the database name, as we have created a test database, then we can set test db, create database test db. The functionality and the look and feel of the database will be same as you have seen before. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Keep learning, keep moving forward. If you are liking our videos, please subscribe it, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.